My channel. I need to download driver walk 4 and you type the driver download and this is why I search the official website driver official website Epson. This here the walk 4 official website epson.co.uk epson.co.uk. You click here, please swipe. Website loading and this here the driver printer. You scroll down, okay, this title driver and software. Download driver or software for your product. You click download. This here the Larry pick loading. This one, okay, is scroll down. This here select operating system. This here the Windows 8 and Android, Chrome OS, iOS, Linux for Mac OS. This here Mac new Mac 12, Mac and Mac 11, Mac 12, Mac 11, and this here the Windows 11 and for Windows Server, Windows XP, Windows Vista. And I am need download for Windows 11 new Windows driver Windows 11 Epson driver Windows 11 click and find website loading and scroll down and this here the product setup. This here the driver update. You click here and driver update, driver update, driver software, and this here the driver printer only and driver scanner only. And you click download and for driver printer only. I mean download for driver printer. You click download. Is why the website loading and driver download. Is why the finish driver download. If you need install driver for printer, you turn on the printer. You put cable USB printer for laptop or PC. Laptop or PC for you detect the cable USB printer and please write the driver download finish and click opening driver and your install driver your please write driver finish download. If you need link download, click below description the video. If you need comment, if you need question, below this description comment and like share my video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video, share my video. Bye.